All right, everybody, it is Friday and we are back out here on this charity job where we took down all those greenhouses. We did some mulching work. It was a bit of a mess, but we're slowly but surely getting all of this cleaned up and squared away. Today we're back out here. I got the Mini warming up behind me, got the bucket on it, and we've got some dumpsters delivered, and we got a lot of trash to put in the dumpsters. Got 2 dumpsters today. I don't think it's gonna take very long to fill them up. Whoever dropped them off did a great job dropping them right where we needed them. So we're gonna fill these things up pretty quick, and then I'm gonna guess they'll probably take another 2, depending on how much these things take, it'll probably take somewhere between another 2 to 4 to get the rest of all this debris out of here. So we'll get these filled up today, and then I'll probably just, I'll film again when I come back, and we'll just combine all this into one video. So it might be a few weeks before you guys see this video. But we'll get what we need to get done today and see what it looks like. So Minnie's warming up behind me. Got Allen's scrap metal. Was nice enough to bring us some dumpsters. Got one here, and they put the other one right back there. So I should be able to grab that pile and some of those other piles and just quickly take them over there. I might have to move that mulch pile out of the way a little bit. Yeah. Did a great job with that. Put this one right here between this pile and this pile. So I'm gonna concentrate on these 2 first. We'll get that stuff in there. And then we'll start going to the back and seeing what we can get done back there. So let's get it done. All right, that worked out well. It didn't take but about 10 minutes to throw that pile into the dumpster there. So probably about half full with that in there. So we'll concentrate on this pile, and that'll probably about fill it up. And then we'll go to the back. right, everybody, that's it for today. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and basically 5. I'd say 4 and like 90% of that 5th pile in 2 dumpsters. So I'm very happy with that. Got a lot more out of here than what we thought, or than what I thought that I would get. So I'm guessing that's probably a dumpster there between those 2. I still got that pile, and then all that metal's got to go into a separate dumpster. I've got it piled up over there, and I've got a couple of old fans and stuff I got to get to right there. So maybe 3 dumpsters total, 2 for the trash and 1 for the metal. I got to get into that little bit of metal right in there, old shed in there. So I think we'd be pretty close to that. It might take 4, but I'm hoping we can get it with 3. So all right, that's it for today. I will be back, and we'll continue this video. I'll just do it all together in one thing. So we'll be back when we get some more dumpsters, maybe next week, and we'll get the rest of this loaded out. All right, back out here day 2 on the charity job. I got the mini out here. So they brought us 3 more dumpsters. I think last time did I have 2 or 3? I think we had 2. Yeah, we had 2. So I've got 3 now, so I'm gonna put all the metal in this one. I've got this metal here, and then there's a couple fans back there behind that big pile there. So metal's going in 1, and then we'll start loading out these other 2. I'll take this stuff, put it in that one, and then we'll start taking this stuff, putting in that 3rd one, and see where we get today. that is it for today. We pretty much got all the debris out of here on this side of the property line. That's a separate piece of property, right, Pat? If you can see those pink stakes or where that old building is right there, that is another piece of property, but they have that one too. So I don't know what we're going to do with that old building right there. It's got a concrete slab under it, I believe, and some brick around some of the corners. But the only thing that's left is these concrete pipes, and they're probably gonna have to go in their own separate container, because concrete's usually, if you got concrete like that and you take it to the landfill, it has to go in its own separate place. They would not allow you, most likely, to dump that in the middle of the landfill. So that's gonna have to go in its own thing. But the rest of the trash is pretty much out of here for the most part. There might be little pieces of stuff here and there, but all the big stuff is pretty much gone. So that looks pretty good. A few of those little metal post things in the ground over there, but the ground here is just this soft sand, and I've pulled several of them out just by hand, so I'll pull them out when I come back to get those. I've actually got to go look at another job about 5 minutes down the road, so I got to get loaded up. The owner's already over there waiting on me. But yeah, all the piles are up, and this has come a long way from when we started. So I'll be back for that. I don't know when. I probably won't make a video of that. We'll just go ahead and this will be the end of this part of this project, and then we'll be coming back with the mulcher, and all this is coming down. We're gonna take all this all the way back to that property line. There's a ditch, I think, and all that's gonna go, and all this up here is gonna go. I think we should be able to knock that out in a day. And then this over here is gonna have to be its own separate project as well. This looks like a property line, but it's not. This all is goes further over, but there's some brick in there. You guys can see there's brick. There's some metal back in there too, and there's a bunch of plastic. There's like plastic little container things, and there's some pipe back in there. There's all kinds of stuff over there that we've still got to get to. So I don't know how I'm going to deal with that yet. I don't know. That's yet to be, and it's wet over there. That holds water. I may end up having to grub all that out just to get to the trash. I'm not sure yet. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it, but I'll need a dumpster for that. But all this is done. This is just a big pile of mulch right here. So I'll be back. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, everybody.